cold as hell in the shop today, so we're all bundled up, we got our coveralls on, and we're ready to rock and roll. Today's video, I got a guy on the way to the shop right now. He's got a Chrysler Town Country, and he says it's got an exhaust leak. Let's see what we got to do to fix this leak. And over. It's got an exhaust leak, you can hear that. What's up here? Guys, this is the Rice Rocket van because that muffler, it's got a front muffler that's broken. So when you rev it, I mean, we're gonna quiet that down and give it a deeper tone by replacing with a Paradox Muffler. Here's our problem. This muffler back here is broken. You can see it's cracked right there. You can see the exhaust gases coming off right there where it's black. You see that? So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cut this here, cut that back there, and replace it with a Paradox Muffler. We need to take off that exhaust hanger right there. Right here. You can see that? Yeah, that's the exhaust hanger right there. And it looks like about a 1/2 inch. I think we want to keep that exhaust hanger on there for now, so it's not just flopping around when we cut it off. Change plan. Damn, that wasn't just a cracked muffler like I thought. You can see that this one's fully solid. Oh, it's cracked right there too, but it's got a solid all the way around, right? This thing is fucking hollow on, it's gone. The whole fucking thing. You could stick your whole fucking finger in there. So that's why we got to replace it. A little bit of flux core welding because it needed to be done today and I'm out of gas. But flux core gets the job done. It's just not as pretty as MIG or TIG. So it's welding. Here's the other side, and let's be real. This is not going on a show car. This is going on a minivan. So let's just get the job done, fix the minivan, and get it out the door. I even reuse the factory hangers most of the time. Sometimes I can't if I'm doing a custom exhaust, but most of the time I can use the factory hangers. Especially just doing a muffler replacement like this, cutting out one muffler, putting a new muffler in. We'll weld this on, we'll push this up just a little bit, we'll attach that there, we'll tack it on, and then we'll let it drop back down. As I edit this video, I forgot to tell you, please like and subscribe. So do that before you finish. If you like my stuff. Yeah. All right, we're all done. Let's hear it start. Should be a quieter car now with a more smooth sound with acceleration. Oh yeah, that's quiet. Such a better sound to this car. Thanks, Paradox Mufflers. Appreciate you.
Oh my god. This sounds better than
so much better.